Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not for from KingMixUp, it's not credible, and you already know the deal, my peeps. My dad yourself for telling a while, go on for not to go on, you see me, so let's just kick it off with Dancehall King Vybz Kartel. As you can see, it's his 2-year anniversary of being a free man. Yes, you know, he was incarcerated for some time and, you know, the conviction was overturned and all of these good stuff. So, you know, he reunited with his wifey, Sidem. Yes, who the people say look like she caught a belly, or look like she a breed. Don't it? Put in the comment section waiting about that, because for the past several weeks or so, we've been seeing a lot of headlines out there that Sidem, you know, she cut left Kartel and all them stuff there and gone back to England because, you know, say, him did a feature, the chef, and all of these good stuff. You see, I say, but if you've been paying attention to small details and listening to the king, you know, said that was furthest from the truth. You see, I say, in fact, we've been telling him for several weeks that they're going to be reunited or linked back up when he goes to England, because you know, say the next Gaza versus Gully thing will go down in September over the O2 Arena in London. You see, I say, so say them did that make a move to make sure, you know, they welcome him for the king. No, but you see what I say, the people them say look like she catch a belly, you see me, so, you know what I mean? Time will tell, because you know every day or every other week them say them a breed, you know, but me just want to give them quick update while going for not to go. The king and them queen is still good. So don't be listening to a lot of these people you say out there that go on like say the minute they know it's him. Yeah. Now earlier up on my Instagram channel I dropped one story with you know, Wildstyle Govament zombie, you know, Jahvillani, right, and man being arrested. This is a federal charge, and I'm not going to lie to my people. Special FBI agent Andrew Nelson strikes again, because you don't know the things that we bust the story. Say Andrew lock up Squash and Squash Daddy, and no chronicler who confirmed that via Instagram story. I know me I read the federal indictment and boom, oofa near me say Special FBI agent Andrew Nelson. So yeah, this is a real thing now, my people. He is going to get some promotions off of these dancehall artists, or I should say dancehall criminals, because boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, they're getting locked up for the same thing. Possession of illegal firearm. Now these are the court documents. I'm not going to read them out when I can press pause and read it, but yeah, basically them get an anonymous tip that, you know, such man zombie, you know, they have rifles and, you know, Taurus and all them thing there, and them they live with them girlfriend and a driver, black Benz and all of these stuff. So them get anonymous tips and they run in upon the boy, catch up on body cam and everything. You see me say, when them I got to the vehicles and them yell, stop, don't move, police and FBI. You see me say, and you know, he let them know say he had a burner on him, you know, one knockers with one in at the head. You see me say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. So, you know, them going on the yard and, you know, the question of the girlfriend and say, yes, you know, the rifle belongs to him. You know, they got married, such and such time. I think in 2026, he came through on a valid visa, but it expired in 2025. So basically, overstating thing. Them saying my run with for murder charges and all of them thing there in Jamaica. Yeah, you see me say, not a good look, my people, not a good look. Because the feds say them get a tip saying man beat him woman, but the lady say, you know, he's not violent and all of this stuff. So yeah, you know, I mean, he's facing 15 years in prison. You know, typical charge for, you know, an immigrant being in possession of illegal firearm and all of this stuff. But yeah, people, the dancer police serious in America now. You have the hip hop police, I know you have the dancer police, and Andrew Nelson is, whoa, he's banking on all of them. You see my set, so I'm done with the 6 and the 7, Chronic Law and Squash. You see my say, we see that him running pan who else now? Oh yeah, Wildstyle Govament. So me make the post in my community section board in my YouTube section with all of the court documents for them. But I'm just giving a quick update, yeah, in a day. So do the right thing and subscribe to the King and turn on the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest system. Bless.